Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to give a revision on fractions. Yes children, next bit is addition children. Here you observe these fractions, we need to add these fractions. 8 by 3, 3 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. Come on, here you observe one of the fraction has given mixed children. First you convert the mixed fraction into the improper here. First here given, first fraction is 8 by 3 only, second fraction 3 by 3 and third fraction we need to convert into the improper. How to convert into the improper? The denominator and whole number should multiply and you need to add the numerator here. 3 ones are 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5, 8 children. So here again 8 by 3 you will get. And now you observe these the given fractions are like fractions given. If they given like fractions, you can add the numerators as it is. What are the numerators here? 8 plus this 3 plus third fraction numerator 8. And denominator you need to write only one time. Okay. So 8 plus 3 plus 8. And denominator don't add 3 plus 3 plus 3 children. Only one time we should write as the denominator. Now 8 plus 3 here. 8 after 3 means 9, 10, 11 children. And 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 will be 19. 11 plus 8 will be 19 by 3. And in answer, if you get improper children, that you can change into the mixed. Okay. If you get the proper means leave it. Simplest form also if it is possible you do it. If not possible and if we got the improper fraction means we can change into mixed by dividing the 19 by 3. 3 6 are 18 children. So 1 will be left here. And how we can write this? 6 as a whole number and here 1 as a numerator and 3 as a denominator. So 6 1 by 3 will be the answer of this sum children. Okay. Now let's do the next problem here. Now here also one of the fraction has given mixed children. First we convert that. Okay. Remaining as it is we can take. First fraction 6 by 2 children and second fraction only 3 number given children. So nothing is there in the denominator means we can take it as a 1. Means 3 by 1 again it will be 3 only. So we can instead of 3 we can take 3 by 1 also. Now we will convert this into the improper fraction. How we can convert here? We need to multiply this. 3 8s are 24. 24 and plus 2. 25, 26 children. So 26 by 3. Yes, 26 by 3. Now the given fractions are unlike fractions children. So unlike fractions we can't add directly. First you convert that unlike into the like fractions by doing the LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators here? 2, 1, 3. These are the denominators children. Once you check, will you get these 3 numbers in any other table which can divide here except the 1 table. Here you can 1 table we can divide. 2 table if I am taking only this number I can divide. This we can't. So if I take the 3 table only 3 I can divide. This 2 we can't. So if it is not possible in any table, so directly we can multiply to get the LCM. 2 into 1 into 3. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So LCM is 6 in here. So LCM is equals to 6. Now bring it down one fraction children. First fraction is 6 by 2. And this LCM number 6, you divide by the first fraction denominator, which is 2. Now 2 ones are 2 3s are. Here 3 by 1 nothing but 3 we are getting here. With these 3 we need to multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction. Okay. Now 6 3s are 18 and 2 3s are 6. Let's bring down the 3 by 1 second fraction. Now again the LCM number here. Again the LCM number 6, you divide by the second fraction denominator, which is 1. Okay. So 6 by 1 nothing but 6 itself. Means with that 6 again you multiply the numerator and denominator of the second fraction here. 3 6 are 18 and 1 6 are 6. Let's bring down the third fraction 26 by 3. Now again you divide the LCM number 6 by the third fraction denominator, which is 3. Now 3 ones are 3 2s are. We got the 2 as the answer children. Now with that 2 you need to multiply the numerator and denominator of the third fraction. Now 26 into 2. Here I am multiplying children. 26 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 52 I am getting here. 52 by 3 2s are 16. Okay. Now I converted these unlike fractions into the like fractions. Now I can add that. So what fractions here? Instead of 6 by 2, I can take 18 by 6. Plus instead of 3 by 1, 3 by 1. So 18 by 16, 6 I can take here also. Okay. Plus instead of 26 by 3, I can take 52 by 6. Now I converted into the like now. Let's add the numerators, which are 18 plus 18 plus 52. Here I am adding here. 18 plus 18 plus 52. 8 16 children. 16 plus 2 18. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. So I got here sum is 88. 88 by 6 here. 88 by 6 is again improper fraction children. If you get the improper fraction as the answer, you can change that into the mixed fraction by dividing the 88 by 6. Here let's do the division here. Here I am doing children. 88 dividing by 6. 6 ones are 6. 2 will be left. I am bringing down the next digit 8. 6 4s are 24. So 4 and 0. So how I can write this mixed fraction as a mixed fraction? This quotient number as a whole number, which is 14, and the denominator, the remainder will be in the numerator's place 4 and divisor will be the denominator's place. So how we can write here? 14 4 by 6 will be the sum of these given fractions. Yes children, next bit subtractions children. Come on, have a look at these problems. 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now you observe carefully children. The given fractions are like fractions. So like fractions means you can add or you can subtract directly with the numerators. See here 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now directly you can subtract the numerators, which are 3 minus 2. And denominator one time we need to write children. You should not subtract the denominator. 6 minus 6 you should not do. Only numerator part you should solve and denominator part as it is when you are doing addition and as well as when you are doing subtraction in like fractions. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 children by 6 as it is. Means subtraction of these two are 1 by 6. Here 1 by 6. And let's do this problem children. Now once you observe 15 by 25 minus 10 by 20. If the given fractions are mixed means you can change into you can change into improper and you can solve children. But here given fractions are not mixed, so you can directly solve. And one thing here you observe carefully, 15 by 25 minus 10 by 20. These are the unlike fractions here. So to subtract, we need to convert the unlike into the like by doing the LCM children. So denominators LCM 25 and 20. Here I am doing LCM children 25 and 20. 25 and 20, in which table it is possible? See, 4 table if I select, only 20 is a possible children, not 25. If I take the 5 table children, we can divide this 25 and also we can divide the 20. Means we should select here 5 table. Here I am selecting the 5 table and 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. And 5 and 4, the left numbers 5 and 4, we can't divide in any one single table. So we get multiply to get the LCM. So LCM is equals to outer number 5, 5, which I take 5 into 4 children. So 5 5s are 25, 25 into 4 is 100. So LCM I am getting the 100 children. While you are adding, while you are subtracting, you need to do the LCM correctly children. If not, if you made a mistake in LCM, then maybe there is a chance to get the total problem wrong children. So do the LCM correctly. So LCM is 100. Okay. Now bring it down the 1 fractions which I given in question. 15 by 25. Okay, 15 by 25. Again same process, how you done in the addition, same process here also. The LCM number 100, you divide by the first fraction denominator which is 25. Now in 5 table or in 25 table directly. In 5 table, 5 5s are 25 children, 5 2s are 10, 5 0s are 0. Again 5 1s are 5 4s are. So 4 by 1 nothing but we got the 4 answer. With this 4 we need to multiply here 4 numerator and denominator of the first fraction. Now 15 4s are 60 and 25 4s are 100. Bring it down the second fraction which is 10 by 20. Now the LCM number 100 you divide by second fraction denominator 20. So 0 0 gets cancelled at last and 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 5 I am getting 5 by 1 nothing but 5 I got children. Now with that 5 you need to multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction. Now 10 into 5 is 50, 10 5s are 50 and 20 into 5 is 100. Now I change this given unlike fractions into like fractions with this denominator 100. So instead of 15 by 25 I have taken here, I can take here 60 by 100 minus instead of 10 by 20 I can take here 50 by 100. Now like fractions I changed no children here, like fractions. Now I can subtract directly. 60 minus 50 is 10 children. 10 by 100. Now it is here we can cancellation. It means we can change it to simplest form. This 0 gets cancelled as 0. Now what are the left numbers here? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is a difference of 15 by 10 minus 10 by 20. I hope you understood the revision on fractions. All concept I explained you children. I am going to conduct the test. So prepare well children, which I explained in the revision video. All the best. I am going to conduct the test. I told you now. All the best. Thank you children.